SAFE Center is the forensic exam center for Duval, Baker, and Nassau County, where survivors can come and receive a medical forensic exam right after their sexual assault.
The Women's Center of Jacksonville has teamed up with Jacksonville University to offer an additional form of healing to survivors of sexual assault: locally sourced artwork. Tiffany Leach and Nick McNally, visual arts faculty members at Jacksonville University, worked with local artist Tony Rodriguez to curate and hang a variety of styles of artwork throughout the new Women's Center of Jacksonville's Sexual Assault Forensic Exam Center, better known as the SAFE Center, on Emerson Street in Jacksonville.
We've spent some time planning out the work that goes in each room to make sure that it's appropriate for survivors as they're spending time in this space.
Robin Graber, director of the Women's Center of Jacksonville's Rape Recovery Team, says survivors feel a wide variety of emotions after an assault.
Some who are very upset, are crying, some are very angry, and some are very stoic or numb, really. So part of what's great about this artwork is there's so many different kinds, and we know that art can bring all sorts of different emotions for people. So sometimes it allows them a chance to feel just by seeing that artwork.
Leach, McNally, and Rodriguez installed the artwork on Friday, August 31st, adding to the SAFE Center's collection. Another local artist painted a mural in the area that will become the center's Serenity Garden, making even more relaxing and healing places for survivors.
It's going to provide just such a nice, safe, comfortable feeling when they come in and really give a warm, inviting environment for survivors.
Depending on how the artist uses their shapes and their colors, it can affect a person in a certain way, and that's something we paid a lot of attention to when we went around hanging the pieces. So we looked for colors that were soothing, shapes that were soothing, so shapes that were relaxing, welcoming, that would make people feel good as they came into this space.
Leach, McNally, and Rodriguez say they are glad to give back to the Jacksonville community and believe this artwork collection will help people who come to the SAFE Center.
It's something that's been in need in Jacksonville for a long time, so I felt like it was something I felt passionate about spending time with.
If you or someone you know is a survivor of sexual assault, contact the Women's Center of Jacksonville.
The best way to reach out is through our 24-hour hotline. You can reach us at 904-721-7273.